Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, guys. Yeah, so we will start in a bit, yes? I'll just give it like 2 minutes stops. Okay? Mhm. Again, good evening, everyone. Also, for those who are in TikTok, good evening, guys. All right. Stephen, yes. Hello, Stephen. Good evening. Um, yes. Hello, hello. Good evening, good evening. So let me know, okay, from TikTok and in YouTube, if are you guys from Philippines or wherever you are from right now. Let me know, okay. So yes, hello Anthony in TikTok. Good evening. Okay, thank you, Silent Trader. Thank you. So Lumon from TikTok, okay, Philippines, all right. So again, I want to say, please excuse my voice. I still have that cough. I still have the allergy. So I'm sorry for, for my voice again. Yes, hello, Jason. Good evening. Mark, hello, hello. By the way, for those who are in TikTok, if you want to see the full screen of this, you can watch me in my YouTube right now. You can join, you can join us in YouTube. Um, here it is, okay? Mayari Capital. If you want to, yeah, Mayari Capital, just type it in YouTube. You can join us there if you want to see the full screen of this. Sige. All right, so let me share my screen from here. Okay, so for today, let's talk about, good evening, Kenneth. Yes, good evening. Okay, so let's talk about what happened with Bitcoin in here because last night, like literally when we all are sleeping, yeah, Bitcoin dropped. So okay, so I'll start answering some questions in a while. Okay, Kenneth in TikTok has question already. So again, so in a while I'll answer it. But yeah, let's talk. Let's see Bitcoin right now. What's happening with Bitcoin, and yeah. So suddenly we got the drop, and this one is like around 30,000. We were hitting what? We were hitting 31,000. Yes, we were hitting 31,000, but then right away we dropped. This area is a really strong resistance. You guys can see that. And we have been talking about this resistance since when? Since last week of June. Last week of June. And we are what? We are no in the middle of July now. Yeah, we are in the middle of July now. Still that resistance right here. It's really hard to break, guys, right? Really hard to break. Yeah, but what I'm gonna be doing now, since it's Saturday, I'm not gonna wait for Sunday or Monday to clear the charts. I would like to clear the whole chart tonight. Let's see, because we have some new data. The data that we have in here was from last week. Last week. So I want to clear the data. Let's process what we have right now and possibly, what is there's, possibly gonna happen. Okay. So let's open the higher time frame. All right. So right here, I'll delete everything. Okay, I'll delete everything. So let me take everything out. All right. We have a clear chart right now. Okay, we have a clear chart. So let's do. And this is good. So you guys can also like perhaps you can learn a thing or two on how I do my analysis. Hello, hello. Sorry, I cannot read your name. It's in Korean. But yes, hello. Good PM. Yeah, Edmund, hello. So then again, we are what? We are in the monthly. We are in the monthly chart right now. Okay. So sorry guys, I'm sorry. So yeah, monthly chart. Remember this right here? We always mark this one, right? We always mark this area right here. Okay? Always, because that is the lowest candle wherein the monthly has closed. So this level, okay, for those, hello Paul, hello. Yeah, so right here it's 35,188. So around that zone, I'm not I don't want to do like, like that is the certain amount, or like that's the certain digit, but around that level. So you can assume, or you can say around 35,100, 35,200. So, in between that zone. So, around this zone is a strong resistance. So, I want you to be mindful of this. This is the monthly yan, okay? So, now that we have that, okay, let me lock that one. All right, so far, from the monthly, we can see from 2019, market went up, right? Give us a really nice bull run. Market went down, then up again, and now we're having that correction. So, that's why we have this strong push to the upside. Mind you, this is monthly. So now let's open the weekly. So since December, let me mark this up. Since December last year, that was the end of this really long bear market. Can you see? Really long bear market. Okay, so um, Ryoka, full-time trader po kayo? Am I a full-time trader? Yes, I'm a full-time trader. Double tap retest. Boss is asking, which part, boss? Let me know. What double tap retest? Okay, so can you see this? December, we ended the very long, yeah, bear market and started going up by December. Going up, up. And so far, we are what? We are in the middle of the year now, right? July. So far, we have this counto, ito, moving in this way like that. Right? And funny thing is this. We are hitting the what? We are hitting almost at the 35K level. So I want to see why, or I want to show you guys why the 31K on this area, okay, 31K is so hard to break. Okay, so this is gonna be really nice if you're trading Bitcoin. So let's go back on the history right here. Can you see this zone, right? Let me, okay, do this right here. Can you see this wicks? Eto. These are significant wicks. Why? Can you see this? Let me pull this up right here. Let's do this. All right. So you guys can literally see what I'm talking about. So we have some, wicks. By the way, this is the 2 weeks chart, huh? So now market is moving. Let's play it. All right. So from what? From July, and this one is 8,000, huh? 8,000 Bitcoin. We went all the way till where? 45,000. That is so high. So if we'll talk about percentage, right, that's huge. So can you imagine? Let me make this one big so everyone can see it. Uh-huh. Yan. Can you see? 341%. Bitcoin did a 341%. And, you know, can you guys see? There is no significant like correction. Diba? If this is the impulse, there's no correction yet. Huh. And for those who are new in TikTok, I mean, new in crypto trading, newbie, right? Let me remind you that the market cannot go forever like straight upward like that. Okay, it cannot straight go upward like that. So it will always have what? It will always have a correction. It needs a correction, guys. Remember that. Okay, so what is that for? What is the correction for? Okay, correction it lets the market have a reset. So just for example, guys, imagine if you have a car. Okay, you're just running. Does your car have a fuel? Okay, does it need a fuel to run? Does it need a gas? 'Di ba? It needs a gas. So what if your gas is about to be empty, right? Your car is, let's say, getting tired. You have to do a what? you have to do a stop, you have to do a rest, diba? Let's say like that. It's same with the market. Market cannot go forever like up, all the way till, let's say like all the way. Let's break all the way to Mars. Market cannot go like that. Remember that. So far, in this market, hello. So I'm really sorry again for those who just came in. I'm sorry for my voice. I'm still recovering, guys. Okay, still recovering. Sorry. Okay, so right here now we have the move up and no correction yet. Nothing. So right here, by the way, this is 2 weeks chart. So when I emphasize about the higher the time frame, like the 2 weeks chart, meaning it's gonna be a really strong market, really strong data also. Remember, okay? So now, okay, market is going up, up, up. Can you see, guys? There is no correction still. And suddenly, okay, we're getting some bearish candle. Okay, some correction. I mean, like some rejection right around this area. Okay, some rejection. We're having some, like a trouble going further higher than this. Yeah, can you guys see that? So now we are followed by a bearish market. Yes, I mean a bearish candle. So let's wait for that to close. Okay, right at this point now, guys, can you see? Okay, from this area, this red zone, we're just going up what? We're going straightly high. So suddenly market stop. Can you see? Now it looks like a hook. Yeah? So let me draw that again. Okay, impulse and possible correction happening. Let me drag that out. Can you see? Can you compare that? Yeah? So a possible correction is now happening. Yes. So now let's move further. Okay. So can you see the 2 weeks candles? They're trying to break this high. Yeah. At this point only, you can conclude that, okay, my market is, at the point of having a correction. This is it. Remember the analogy of a car earlier? Yeah, I guess at this point you're getting tired or you're running out of fuel, so you have to get another, fuel or petrol, right? So for those who are asking if I have a GC or group, okay, guys, I have a Discord. Okay, in TikTok you can check my profile. In my link, there's a link in there in my bio. You can check in there. I have a Discord. Okay, I have a Discord, and if you need to message me or anything, just please message me at Mayari Capital in my Instagram. Okay, so by the way, my Instagram is right here. That's my Instagram. All right, so let's check people from YouTube. Hello. Okay, buti na lang nakapanood ako ng market update mo kahapon, ma'am. Nakasakay ako sa drop. So what he means for those who are I have international students also kasi. So let me just translate it. Jason said that it's a good thing that I watch your market update yesterday. So for those who are in TikTok, I did a market update yesterday morning. So Jason was able to ride the drop. I just watching the live yesterday. Hello, Zia. Hello. Good evening. Yes. Hello. Good evening, Rex. Okay. So again, you can message me in Instagram. All right, Mayari Capital. Okay. So going back, market now. Can you see? It's having a hard time. Right now, you guys can see the difference. Now it's having a correction. Boom. Can you see this? This is a really big drop, almost like 50% from the top. Okay, from the top, almost like 50%. But can you see where did the market, let me remove this, where did the market got a bounce? Can you see this wick? Yeah. Okay, let me move it right here. Yeah. That wick. Why did that wick reacted in there? Now, going to the left, can you see this area? Yeah, no. Yeah. Can you see? Yeah. Market reacted at that level. And mind you, okay, again, I do not do, one digit. Okay, I always do a zone. So this one is a zone. So let's do continue. Okay, market, can you see? Market supported. Now, this is what we call, or the term, support. Okay, support. Market got supported at this area. Now, this area, by the way, is around 28,000. Okay, and if I'll do the zone, this rectangle, this full rectangle, the green rectangle that you're seeing, goes from 27,600 to 30,000, almost like 31,000. Yeah, almost 31,000. Okay. Again, guys, for those who are in TikTok, I am live in YouTube also if you want to see the full screen. Okay. If you don't want to see my hands right now like this. Yeah. So right around this zone, I'll max it up all the way till here, like right around here. Okay. And then let's see what data we got. This one goes till 32,810. Okay. I'm just doing by the support or bounces of the wicks. And they're very important, let me tell you. Okay, so let's continue. Can you see? One, another support right there. So at this point, what can you guys conclude? This area, the 30K, let me emphasize this. Okay, the 30K level is what? Yeah, 30K zone. I'm not gonna do like 30K. I'm not saying that it's a flat 30K, huh? That zone is a strong what? It is a strong support. Yes. Can you see that? We're moving now past up. So now that we got the historical, explanation of it, that is why, guys, if you'll see the Bitcoin now, we are having a really hard time at this resistance. So currently, at this point, it was a support, but we broke that. This is the area that we broke it. It turned into a what now? A resistance. So now it is a resistance. Let me change the color to red. Okay, right there. Okay, so yeah, now that we have the what's the word for that, resistance, that is why we have the explanation why Bitcoin is having a really hard time right here. And I'm telling you again, guys, the maximum resistance that you guys can expect is 35,000. The what level? That was the monthly again. Okay, now you guys won't be able to forget this because I have been implementing it to you. Okay, it's very important. So now weekly. Oh, can you see this? That's not good. So we have the close one, two. Can you see? Is a resistance. Remember what I shown you earlier? Impulse, impulse, correction. Impulse, impulse, straight, correction. Currently, we're having an impulse, impulse. Market is what? Market is having a pause. So possibly we will be doing like that. Okay, so we have to watch out for that. All right. Okay, so now that we have this area, I'll just remove or like make this one light. Okay, because I don't want it to overpower what we will be doing at the lower time frame later. But we know that this one was a 2 week or the weeks, the weeks resistances. Sige. So someone is asking, drop last week of July na ba this mom? Not quite. Let's talk about it, later. I can figure it out in a while. Sige. What does the market support tells us? What does the market support tells us? Okay, so I'm not quite sure what you're referring to, Zia. Just let me know, okay? Hello, Carl. So Carl is like he's a Mayari member since 2022, but not not a member yet. I mean, like not a premium, I guess. Hello, Joel. Yeah, Joel. I know Joel. He's been a student. Yes, he's been a student for a year now. I remember his name. All right, so now that we have this data, we have the up, down. So in that sense, you guys can say, oh, that's a possible what? To be honest, this one is a trend trading right now. We have a clear trend, which is an uptrend. So ideally, what we should be doing in here is what? Is a momentum type of trade or a continuation type of trade. So at this point, I know some of you guys will be doing like, okay, a trend line like this. But then again, when it comes to trend line, guys, okay, it's subjective. The trend line is subjective. So yes, it might work, but the percentage of it is low. But yes, let's just like save it at this point right here for trend line to be stronger. We need confluences for it. So yes, so let me check my EMA. So now this is the weekly chart. Can you see this? Yeah. So this one, guys, I have a lot of MA. Yeah. So, but if you guys are asking, this one right here is the two. Let me check. Yeah. So right here, this one is the 200. The yellow line is the 200 EMA, and then the green line is the 100 EMA, and then the blue line is the 55. So this one is long term. You can also use it in day trading, but you have to, just tweak it a little bit. But yes, so it's a good thing in a sense that after ages, since last year, this one is last year, April 22. Okay, 2022. Okay, April. Since we have this crossover, that cross of the EMA right here, the 100 and then the 200, after ages, what? We finally have a golden crossover. Ayan, no? Yan. So, let me make this one gold so everyone can see that. This one is what we call the golden crossover. So, what does it mean, right? It means good for Bitcoin, like bullish, bullish bias for Bitcoin. So ideally, now if we'll confluence that with the trend line right here, we can expect Bitcoin. I have said this in my previous live that I am expecting Bitcoin to go where? To go around 28,000, around 28,000, because again the 31K, the resistance that we broke down in here earlier, it is strong, guys. Let me tell you, it is strong. So if we do get a resistance, a pullback, I'm expecting this golden crossover right here, to catch us right here. So it will do like this, or it will look like this, parang ganyan, and then some continuation. And so, with that said, if we do have a continuation to the upside, what do I expect for market to happen in here? I need it to be a strong break. Strong. Not like just a moment, guys. I'm really sorry for my voice, guys, okay? Really sorry. So, yeah. So I needed to break with a strong candle, like one candle like that. Yeah, this is weekly, by the way. So I want a candle like that. I don't want a candle that, it looks like it has broke it, but it will look like this, oh, parang ganyan, you know, like slowing down. That I don't, that I do not want. Okay, why? That shows weakness. That shows weakness, and possibly we will have a deeper, like this, deeper correction before Bitcoin can possibly go higher. All right. Okay, so let me take this one out. Okay, 3-day chart. Let's open it. So Darren is asking, Miss, is it too late if I want to buy below 25K? Um, not, I cannot like tell you so exactly if it's gonna go, to 25K right here, because if we'll do by technical analysis right here, oh, this one by support, okay, like 24,000 or 25,000, it is what? It is valid. But when bull market, or like we have some strengths over the market, usually market doesn't visit this area na. Okay, unless and until we see some close below 28,000, because we're expecting 28,000, right? So if you see some close below 28,000, around 26,000 weekly close, possibly, okay, possibly you will be able to see, we will be able to see that. So C is asking, Filipino ka, ma'am? Opo, Filipino po ako. Kaso I have to speak in Taga, I mean in English again, because I have some English viewers, guys. Okay. But yeah, you can ask me. Don't hesitate, guys, ha. Huwag kayong mag-hesitate to ask me sa Tagalog. I'll answer you guys, okay? I don't mind it. So, okay. Mm-hmm. All right, so now that we have around here, diba? 24, 25, possibly. Yeah, possibly. So DCA is the key. That's right, Kenneth. DCA is the key. So if we, Darren, okay, what I can suggest you to do is something like DCA, what Kenneth, has mentioned. So that personally is what I do. So, if we go on the 28K level, you can buy in like 30%, 40% of your account. If you go lower than that, 27, you can put another percentage of how many amount you want to put in, all the way till 25, then put everything up. Okay, so Anthony, are you a swing trader or a position trader? Mm, in between. I mean, like, I do position, I also do swing, but my main day trade is scalping. So for those who are asking, oh Miss, what is scalping? You can open my TikTok right now, my account. I have lots of videos regarding scalping. I also share some of, how I scalp. You can check my TikTok account, guys, okay? You can watch my short videos in there. Sige. So, ma'am, pahingi word of pampakalma. Sobrang sama ng loob ko sa 4 na SL today. Oh, geez. So, someone is asking for word of, uh, what's the word for that? Okay. Someone has a loss of like 4 SL. I mean, like, I guess their trades hits 4 SL today. So, that's normal, to be honest, in trading, especially if you are new. I myself, I have experienced 10 trades, 10 trades, sunod-sunod, continuous SL. I understand the emotional damage, psychological. So, words of pampakalma, or like, how to deal with it. One of my advice for you, step away from the chart. Do not do any trades anymore. Call it a day. Okay. Tomorrow is another day. So what I want you to do, spend time, watch TV, spend time with your family. Once you are calmed down, okay, I want you to process logically what mistakes you did. Okay. Was it because of FOMO? Did you enter or exit a trade right away? Or are you doing a possible, or you're testing out pala, if you're testing out a new strategy, that can be. Yeah, so I want you to take note everything what happened in there, just process it through. And one thing that I want you to say to yourself is this: do not take it personally. Whatever has happened, the market, did not do it, because market hates you or anything like that. So okay, I don't want you to be thinking that. To be honest, market just moves on its own. It's your action, in there. So if okay, let's go over sa ano. Let's say that you are feeling bad because you lost some money. Um, to be honest, losing and yeah, losing money is part of trading. So that's one thing that I want you to be practicing, that you have to accept already. That I always teach my private student, my crash course, even in premium, the lessons that they get in premium. Guys, I have a certain, full set, to be honest, of trading lessons that is in premium, wherein I talk about risk management. So if you have problem with that, yeah, especially if you're losing big, you're losing too much, you need to go over and master risk management, and I have that in premium. I also have the calculator, I give it out. Yeah, so that's it. Call it a day tonight. Okay, there's a lot of opportunity, you can still trade tomorrow. One of the biggest loss that I had before, guys, was around 100,000 peso, you know? And by back then, that 100,000 peso was big. I overtraded. So, yes, it was really hard. So, it took me I took a week off some market before I come back on it again. So it's fine if you cannot come back tomorrow. Just take your time to process it through, you know? So, yeah, I hope that helps. Yeah. So when you trade, how many leverage you put po? So how many leverage I put? It depends. But I do not go over 10x. To be honest, it's rare for you to see me do 10x. You can watch my TikToks videos. It's rare for you to see. I'll be doing 5x only, 3x. That's it. Again, that is by me doing my risk properly. Yeah. Yes, losing is part of the process. That is true. Do you still get SL up today? Yes, I do get SL up, still today, to be honest. It is part of trading. Okay. I don't want you guys to have this incorrect or misinformation that, once you trade, everything should be like win-win-win. There should not be loss. Guys, that's not true. Okay. You will have losses, and your SL, your stop loss are gonna hit, and that is fine. It's part of it. You just have to manage it. Okay? Mm-hmm. Magkano natalo nyo? Uh, like I have mentioned, the biggest loss that, when I was starting out was 100,000 peso. So now I average, $300 loss per trade, $200 loss per trade. you know that's like the highest. Controlled is 50 if market is low, 100. But profit, it can go like, yeah, you guys can see sa ano na lang, so my TikTok videos is there, you can watch in there. Yeah. Hello, Raja, good evening. Yaka, I like how calm you are. Am I calm? To be honest, guys, let me tell you, I was not calm before like this. I only got ano tawag dito? I guess I only got this patient, okay, or this patience, when I did the trading. Because when I was doing trading, that is where the market has told me, or the trading has told me, oh, you're impulsive. Oh, di ka makapaghintay. Oh, gusto mo talaga ano, tawag dito, you get FOMO in. You know, that I have to practice, that I have to discipline myself. One thing also is this, you are so emotional. Ano lang, bababa lang yung market or market is gonna go red, red, red. You cry, you get tense. That I also have to, um, learn or educate myself to stay patient, follow my trade, follow my plan. So I guess that is where it came from now that I'm like a little bit of calm. Maybe, yeah. All right, so let's continue right here. Relate too much. Coach, di ako nakailag. Yeah. So do you join any trading community when you were still starting, man? Okay, so that's a good question. Let me answer that. Yeah. Um I did try to join crypto trading. I know not crypto, I know the crypto trading, but it was Forex when I joined. So I was trying to join sa Telegram pa yon, okay? So I joined one and then around two or three type of community and they give out signals. The problem with this is this. I do not know how to trade. I do not know, you know, when the trade goes wrong, I don't know how to handle that. Anyone in here has that problem that you just follow a signal, following a signal lang. And then the moment it gets negative, what do you feel? Yeah. And one thing, yes, they do give stop loss, but come on, I don't know if you guys had this mistake, but I did the mistake of taking out the stop loss and just letting the trade go all the way till it liquidated me. I had that. So yes, I did join some trading community. Not it was not a community sort of, but more of a signal. Yes, there were some chats, but it's people in there, how can I say this? They are not educated on how to trade. Like the skill itself, technical analysis. They're not educated. So we don't know, what's happening. We literally don't know. So, from there on, I did not join any trading signal. I went on my own alone, studying, um, seeing any materials I can get from the market. That's what I did. And was it good? Yeah, it's good because now I'm profitable. But the problem is it took me a long time, really long time. So like around 2 years before I figured some stuff out. Yeah, yeah. But for those, if you guys that's one thing, if you find a proper mentor, a mentor, possibly the one that you can relate with, I suggest you do, have one, because it will literally push your trading career higher, in a sense that that mentor has the experience already, that mentor can pass down to you. Yeah. And yeah, like for example, some of my private students like crypto md. This guy is like, I moved the market. So for those who doesn't know crypto md in TikTok, he's my private student, who is now running his own Discord. Okay, he is turning $100 to $10,000. So this guy, around a year, he did his own by then. I have some students who did like 6 months. One international students, we did like 2 to 3 months only. Again, not everyone will have the same journey in trading. Okay, I want you to have that right now. Okay, I want you to know that, because I don't want you to be like, tawag dito, doing your own journey, studying the market, you know, doing all of that, and then at the same time you'll be like, oh, that guy did ano lang, like 6 months. Why can't I do it in 6 months? That guy was profitable after 8 months. Why me? I'm still so behind. Don't put yourself into that position, huh? That's a really wrong ano. Because when in trading, it's not like you versus the other traders or your progress versus the other traders. It's just you and yourself, guys. That's it. Okay? I hope, you'll remember that. Yes? So, galing po pala kayo, Forex. Do you use ICT, ma'am? No, I do not use ICT. If you're asking when did I started Forex, I started Forex 2015. So let me tell you, there was all of that strategy was like, it's not there. It was pure price action by then. And if you're asking me what my strategy is, it is pure price action even in crypto. Okay? All right. So, okay. So, are you self taught, miss? I mean, you have a mentor or you just your? Yes, I just your. I am self taught. It was not self taught, but like market taught, meaning like I put myself into the market. You know, every time I have a loss, that is my payment for that lesson. And let me tell you, it's not cheap. It's not cheap. I lost 100,000. Another time I lost 50,000 on particular lesson. One lesson lang yan. Yeah? So, madam, magkano mag-avail na for mentoring? So, what type of mentoring? Private mentorship or group mentorship? Or yeah? Yes, their learning phase is different from you. Take your time. That's true. Take your time, guys, okay? All right, so mhm. Okay, so 3 day again, Bitcoin right here. We have been what? We have been doing um yeah, resistances right at this area. We have not been moving since the last week of June. Okay? Since the last week of June, we have not been moving. Okay, so for private po, Rex, okay, so you can message me in Instagram, but with private, okay, private mentorship, by the way, my private mentorship, it is a one-on-one session. So I will literally teach you one-on-one and I will give out everything to you, what I know. Theory, experience, my strategy. Not only that, I will be there guiding you through your, trading process. So, like I said earlier, all trading journey, okay, are different. Your trading journey, Rex, might be different from mine, but I will be there to guide you, as your mentor. That's the thing. And at the same time, as a private student, you will get a lifetime access. Again, lifetime access on premium. So, yeah, so currently, how many private students do you have right now, mom? Currently, I have three. And let me tell you, that's a lot. Okay? Wait, just one, two, yeah, three right now. And it's a lot in a sense that, comparing during bull market. In bull market, guys, to be honest, I only accept two students per year during the bull market. It's really rare for me to open a slot. It's just now that I am accepting um, a couple of students because I have some time. Can you see the market right now? Yeah, even the last year market. No, yeah. What happened? Uh, it was been just ranging down, right? And especially right now, it is the perfect time to learn. That is why I'm accepting private students, those who wants to learn. Yeah, those who wants to learn, I'm accepting students. But when the bull market comes, let me tell you guys, I will be opening my slot. Uh, yeah, very rarely because I will be very active by then. It's a Discord, okay, in the premium, sending some trades, signals. Let me tell you, during bull market, we don't sleep. I barely sleep last bull market. So with that said, taking time also with private, it's a little bit ano na, big move, yeah. Okay, so uh travel na si coach niyan pag bull market. To be honest, Kenneth, you are wrong. No, during bull market, I rather stay, in my computer and like work the whole time. That's what I do during bull market. I travel during bear market. Okay? And that's what I did last year. Yeah, last year that's what I did. I was just traveling. This year also I traveled, the first quarter of the year. Next week I have a flight again. I will be traveling again. Just taking this time. There's a lot of free time, but when the bull market comes, I won't be there. I will be working full time, like really full time. Yeah. Grabe naman, kaya pala nagkasakit kami. Not ano 'to, sa ano din, sa weather. Weather is really bad right now, yeah? So suddenly it will be so sunny, and then it's gonna be so cloudy, gloomy, and then it will rain so heavily, so suddenly it's cold. I guess that's why I caught some flu. And then it didn't help that I went to, where was that? Not quite sure, but something triggered my allergy, guys. It could have been the dust somewhere, or like a pollen, but it triggered my allergy. And for 3 days, almost 4 days, guys, I was just in bed sleeping, hibernating. I cannot open my eyes. I cannot even look at a screen because it hurts. My eyes gets watery. It was so bad. Yeah, I'm still recovering. Okay, so yeah, hello Lynch. Good evening. Hello. All right, so again, resistance up in here. We have the MA right here. Okay, so expect some support. Again, I have mentioned it 28,000 right at this area. Let me be specific with it na lang, ha? Okay. Later in the lower time frame, we will be able to see that. Okay, currently we're on the 3 day. So when does the bull market happen? Bull market or the crypto market, guys, has a cycle. That is what we call the 4-year cycle. Currently, we are in the accumulation point or the resting point. Last year was the bear market. So expect 2024 to 2025 for the bull market. Okay, I'm saying that right now here. Okay, so that is why I'm accepting private students, couple of private students, as much as I can. Yeah, as much as I can. So, okay, so daily, all right, let's check it here. Yeah, so far on the daily, the 55 EMA, okay, can you see the yellow line, guys? We are getting supported by it. So, but the moment we break that, okay, I don't think this one is the 100, eh. Let me double check. I forgot my lines. Also, that the yellow is the 20, guys. Okay, so 55 is gonna be a strong support. I'm saying this 55 is gonna be a strong support for a daily market. So if we break this, can you see this? Like for example, ito right here, just right here. We have been supporting by the 20 MA, the yellow line, right? Yellow, yellow. The moment we broke that, we got supported by the 55 and we have the bounce. So I'm expecting the same right here. 55 expect some support, but miss, where are we gonna expect the support? First off, you can trade this on the scalping or the lower time frame. Your lower time frame, like 15 minutes, will really react on it. It will react. It will have the bounce. So if you are scalping, that is a perfect entry for a scalp like that. Okay. Again, if you want to learn that yung mga drop, then like pump, I have some a couple of TikTok videos of me sharing my trades like that, like literally how I trade that. So you can watch, okay? Uh, Come on, it's just like 54 seconds or like 30 seconds. So just watch it and try to process it what I did in there. Sometimes I put some annotations in there, what made me enter it. Okay, you can watch that. So yeah, 55 EMA, and that one is around 29,000 if we'll do by here only. That one again is 29,000 by the current data. Now, if we move past the 100 EMA, this one is the 28,000. And then below here, if market is going to go, like move, this 200, okay, this 200 EMA is going to follow along this trend line, the green trend line that we drew earlier. That's what I'm saying. All right. So, now let's talk about the 28K support that I am expecting right here. Yan. Can you see? So market possibly is gonna go all the way till here. And okay, let me now show you the possible data of support. That is around 27,600. Okay. So Jeff, first time here, welcome. Welcome. If you have any questions related to trading, let me know. Okay. So again, 27,000 around this area. Okay, so 27 to 28,000, guys. Okay, let me take this out. Yeah, right here. I'm doing this area. Okay, let me now expand the zone. I'm taking the whole consolidations, whole supports going on. Where are they? Here, this whole consolidation right there. Support, resistance, this whole now if we'll go by to the right side, that is 28,154 all the way to 27,000, okay, 100. So around this zone you guys can literally plot what I am plotting right now in your own in your own chart, and just watch it. I want you to watch it, okay? So if we have a drop right here, expect support right here. So what indicators do you use, ma'am? Currently, this is an EMA chart indicator, okay? This lines that you're seeing EMA. All right, so okay. Mhm. Ma'am, half Indian po kayo. No, I am full-blooded Filipino Pinoy po ako. Okay? Full. Yeah. So, all right. So, 12 hours. Let's check. Bitcoin is still not out. What happened what happened yesterday night, okay, or 4 a.m. last night? Uh, it's still part of that consolidation. This is actually getting really annoying now, guys, to be honest. Yeah? Like look at this. This is um a really choppy market. Yeah, that's the word for it, guys. We call this one a choppy market. Since July, last week of June pala. Since June, last week of June, we have not been moving. Like, yes, we are moving, but a choppy movement, which we do not want. So let's see some strength. How is it going? Let's go back over the 3 day. I want to start from the 3 day. I want to see the what's the word for that? The strength. Okay, the strength. So let's go. Let's check first this one. Okay. Uh-huh. Hello, just got out of meeting. Yes, hello, Seaweed. Um, we need to fund a lot for the next bull market. I'm not saying this. This is not a financial advice, but yes, not so much. Okay, I'm not saying like, oh, sell your house, ganyan. Only put, some saving, some amount that you want to invest, but not those risky amount, or not those risky or important money, ba? Yeah. So, mm-hmm. Okay, so what's your insight about BTC, Duke? Okay, so we have been, discussing about BTC since the past hour. So if you want to watch this whole, live right now, it is available in my YouTube. You can rewatch it again. Everything is there in my YouTube. Okay, so if you once you have your time, just watch it again. So pasili po naman ng Ethereum, ma'am. Yes, yes, later. Okay, we'll talk about it. Yeah. So Bitcoin strength, let's talk about it. 3 day. Let's open the weekly first. Weekly, nothing to take note out of this. This is actually really weak. What I'm saying is, yeah, it's pretty weak. Let me see. Let me compare it on the candles. That is not good, to be honest. It's really weak. The peak up of the stand is not that powerful. 3 day chart. Okay. Laddering to the downside. No, let me check. Yeah, laddering to the downside from here. Can you TA the LTC, please? Sure, sure. We can watch it later. Okay. So is this MACD? Yes, this is MACD. Okay. I'm watching this trend currently. So 2 day chart. All right, 2 days hooking to the downside, 3 days, following that up. So I'm not quite sure why is my chart is lagging. So if you guys is having like problem, my audio, or if I'm lagging, let me know. Yeah, that's I don't want to say the best. Currently, the weather is really bad. It's affecting the internet connection in my place. So it's not that good. Yeah, anyway, so daily we have closed by since July. So I want to see how the candles. All right. So, hmm. Conclusion from weekly to daily. Weakness is there. Weakness meaning, weakness going to the downside. Okay? Going to the downside. So possibly there is, like, I can say 60% chance that we're gonna go to the downside. Daily we already have the confirmation of it. That is a really bad rejection. 12 hour, can you see? I want to see how did that happen on the candles right here. Just to confirm about it. Okay. No, what happened? Okay, it's not good. This one is okay, right? What is happening? Sorry, guys. Wait lang. Okay, where is that thing? Yeah, here. Okay, so I don't like this. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, so by the chart, supposedly this pump right here, right here, it was a good bounce, to be honest, and a really good, we really thought that, oh, there's a strength. But what happened last night, okay, just confirmed the higher time frame weakness. So meaning, you know a high chance is gonna have a flash down. 8 hour, yeah, sticking down. Very important is the 4 hour. 4 hour, it's in the midline, meaning we still have some room to move down. Huh. Okay. Mm-hmm. 3 hour, the 1 hour. Let's see the 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour, we're still in the. It will take some time. The 1 hour is having the. Ito guys, let me show you. It's having that correction of the flash down. Soon enough, this is like, remember the car analogy that I mentioned earlier? So, it's moving too fast, run out of gas, now it's resting. So, in a sense, this is what we call, you know, um, accumulation in that. In that word, soon enough there will be a big move, and 60%, okay, 60% is to the downside based off the strength that I have seen on the higher time frame. Okay, so you have to consider about that. 15 minute, we cannot see anything from here, to be honest, guys, because whole day we know that market is just like flat, and that's what we can also see from here. Flat, flat, right here also, flat. But soon enough it will have a breakdown. So this one, oh, that's a good one. Okay. Currently we are 8:30. US market is gonna open around 9. Yeah, 9. So please watch out around the opening of the US market how the crypto is gonna react. Okay. This one is gonna take some time, guys. And I have mentioned before, the big move is gonna happen on the last week of July. And now let me bring you back to the daily. What did I say? This is not a good move right here, guys. Can you see? I mean, not in a good mood, but it's choppy. So I said on the last live that we will have the big move, okay, big move, or in other words, breakout of this around last week of July, around 20s, okay, 20 line, 21, 22, yeah, just around 20s, okay. So just watch out for that. Okay, okay, all right. So let's open. Someone is asking for LTC. Let me open up LTC for you then. Okay, USDP, not this one. Mm-hmm. Okay, Marky, are you here? Hello, Marky, are you here? I'm gonna be doing your LTC. So let me know, Marky, if you are here. Else, I'm not gonna be continuing with this one. Shout out. Because this guy has been asking for LTC since earlier. Marky is not replying. I'm not going. Okay, he's here. Okay. All right. So you're asking about Litecoin. I'll give you a brief, you know, this analysis with Litecoin. Okay. So far, let's open the monthly. Mark. Okay. Mark is asking, do you think it is bullish Litecoin? Let me know on what sort for that. What picture are you referring? Is it bullish? Is it bullish long term, or is it bullish like short term, like day type of approach, or scalping type of approach? So we can get a start from there. Long term. Okay. So long term, let me tell you. Currently, okay, this is perfect. Then this is the 3-day chart, Marky. Okay. Um, Currently, Litecoin is hitting resistance around this point. Okay, let me refine this. Yes, this one is the resistance. Now, this is the thing. Litecoin did a 3-day, looks like it was a breakout, right? Looks like it was a breakout. But then, 1, 2, 3, 4, more than like 3 candles, what happened? We went back below the um, resistance zone. So if you're looking for Litecoin, if you want to enter it, I'm not quite sure what kind of trade you have with Litecoin. Yeah. Let's open, so you can see this also. Yeah. So this area, even if I won't open the volume profile, yeah, anyone who have heard about the volume profile, the most traded section in this area, you guys can see that. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that. Your eye, to be honest, guys, your eyes, you can train your eyes to see where is the highest volume possible. And the highest volume that, LTC is having is around 86. Okay, around 86, so 86, 82, around this area. So if you're looking for, for LTC to buy in, I recommend around this area. Okay, 86, anywhere below that, all the way till 74. Okay, all the way till 74. By the way, guys, those who are in TikTok, if you want to see all of this like full, okay, like full, it is in YouTube. I am live in YouTube right now. I'm live in YouTube. So my YouTube is Mayari Capital. Okay. So yeah. Right here. Okay, Marky, I want you to take note of this. Let's open the daily. We have the daily right now at this area. Okay. Can you see? So LTC at this point, since, okay, I'm going back all the way. This one is February this year. It has been a huge accumulation point. So if you're asking me, is it bullish? Yes, Litecoin is bullish. So let's open the weekly. Let me tell you, we are, yes, we got the rejection. So just give it a couple of months for Litecoin. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm sorry. My throat is really itchy right now. For those who are new, okay, who just came in, I'm still recovering. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, so it's really itchy, guys. I'm sorry. Are you a Filipino, Mayari? Yes po. 100% Pinoy po ako. Okay. Okay. So, let me see some targets for you. All right. This year, possibly. Mm-hmm. Okay, we get some high right here. I'm sorry, guys. It's really itchy. My throat is really itchy. Hello, lords. Yeah. Okay. So, this is so bad. Anyways, yeah, 150, okay? Around 150 all the way till 200. I want you to be expecting some resistances at the 200 level for Litecoin. 193 all the way till 220. Okay, please write it down, okay? Write it down. Yeah, that much only I can give you for Litecoin. So far, that target will play you for this year, like November, December, it will play you those type of take profit level ba. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, anyways, okay, so TA for Ethereum. Okay, let's open Ethereum. Let's have a check on Ethereum. So Ethereum, okay, I already have a draw going in here. So for sure, you guys will be like, okay, new chart. I understand that because the moment I open somebody else's chart, right, with drawings, I'm like, what on earth is going on, diba? Like right now, Miss, what on earth is going on, right? Okay, so let me tell you quickly right here. Okay, let's have a recap for everyone. This area, the 22,267, let me double check it for you. Okay, this level, this is the monthly, okay, monthly close of the candle. So you can expect a strong resistance at the 2,276 for Ethereum. Okay, for Ethereum. So if we go on the weekly, let me change this color. Let me have it blue. Yan ha. You have the blue line. Mm-hmm. I'm saying load up, diba? Load up. So Bitcoin, Ethereum long term is it's bullish. So load up around where, miss. Now, if you remember Bitcoin, we were talking about Bitcoin earlier. Once Bitcoin visits 28,000 or 27,000, 27,000 level, you can expect Ethereum to visit this level right here. Miss, what is this level? For those who are in TikTok, this one is 17,000, I know, 1,700 or 1,700. Okay, can you see this green line that I drew? 1,793. All right, so you can start DCA from there. Miss, what about this line? Yan, that is the extreme point of Ethereum. Can go all the way till here, and we should not be breaking this. Remember, well, the moment we break this line, okay, this line, expect Ethereum to fall all the way till 1,000, 1,200, okay, around those level, 1,200, 1,100, okay. But yeah, so currently now, another Ethereum resistance is obviously again the monthly. Ito ko, yan, the 2,260. Okay, so please, I hope you guys are writing down, the values that I'm speaking. Else, you can watch the live again. You can replay it. For those who are in TikTok, this is a recorded live. It is in YouTube. Please go, you know, sorry, I was watching. I was watching YouTube guys earlier, okay? Yeah, but yes, this is my YouTube right here, okay? Mayari Capital, right there. So just check it out. Currently, I am on live. Can you see this one? Live crypto analysis, July 15. I always put date na, so you guys can, just recap it. Okay? Let me share that. I don't think I have to share this for those who are in YouTube already. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, for those who are in TikTok, this is my YouTube live. Okay? You can also watch or study my Bitcoin breakdown that I did earlier. Okay, so do I have any else na ano dito? Okay, so let's answer some questions. Random question, Miss. Do you believe that the moon affects the price of Bitcoin? Something like supermoon and such? Let me tell you, seaweed. Um, I I personally I do not trade that way, but I have observed that yes, they happen. And that is by some of my students only sa my premium. I have students in premium who practices that type of analysis, which is I forgot the term for that. But yes, they study the full moon, what happens in full moon, what happens in new moon. Yeah, astrology trading, right? Yes, it exists. And the name that you should be looking, if you guys are in premium, please hit up or just do like at mention Miss Lara or Ate Lara. No Ate ha, just Lara. Her name is Lara, Lara. Just mention her, okay? She trades that way. Yeah? So I mean, she have knowledge on it, like way better knowledge than me. So if I have knowledge on it, obviously I would have discussed it right now and share my knowledge to you. But I don't. I have seen it only. I just like observe it. So I'm referring you to those my students talaga who are doing this. So yeah, you can hit up Miss Lara in my premium. She is in my premium. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, Kamuna was like, there's a thing like that? Yes, there is a thing like that. Wait, let me show you in here. Let me take this out. Where was that? Moon phases. To be honest, can you see? This is by trading view already, guys. They added it because what? Because it happens. Okay, moon phases. Okay, let me show this up to you. Let me remove or hide. How can I hide my drawing again? Okay, there we go. Can you see that? I'm not quite sure what does this one mean, huh? Yeah? I guess this one is new moon. Let me see. Okay. Above bar is new moon, below bar is full moon. But this is not the indicator that I have seen them using. It was different. Like it was way more detailed. So I have not asked or I do not know the name. But yeah, it happens. This moon, these moon phases. And if okay, I guess it's the best for us to seize the daily. Okay, let's check the daily. Can you see? During now we're having a no, we're having a back testing right here. Can you see? During new moon, Ethereum then drops. During full moon, the drop stops, and yeah, it happens. It like constantly. We can do percentage. You guys can do your, percentage. How many times did it happen? What are the percentage that it happened? But can you see during full moon right here? I forgot if this is full moon. I'm sorry, guys. Um, yeah, full moon below bar. Okay, during full moon, expect Bitcoin or Ethereum to go up. Okay, yeah, during new moon, it stops. Full moon again goes up. New moon goes down. Yeah, it happens. So if you want a deeper, knowledge with it, I really do recommend you to message Lara, Miss Lara, in my premium. Okay, so grabe mga fundamentals calculated nila. In a sense, yeah, technicals, everything is there. Yeah. Do you have premium signal group? Yes, I do have. It is in my description right now. The description down below, just open it. I have the link for my premium in there. Okay, so yeah, for those who want to access the premium membership, guys, it is in the description down below. Just click, the link, or you can message me in my Instagram right here, right now, Mayari Capital. Okay, right there, Mayari Capital. Sige. So, yes, I have. All right, so I guess that's good for tonight, na guys. Yeah, we covered Bitcoin, Ethereum, LTZ also. Tomorrow I will be doing live again. For those who are in TikTok, I will be doing live again same time. Today I started 7:30 p.m. So I start around 7:30 or 8 p.m. At the during evening. So you can catch me around this time. Tomorrow I will be doing again. If you guys have any question related to trading or you have any charts that you want to be, pulled up and me getting a look into it, yeah, I'm welcome to do that. So, okay, so I guess that's it for tonight, guys. Okay, have a good evening. Please stay safe. Yeah, stay safe for those, especially those who are in NCR. The typhoon is passing or has passed through there, right? To be honest, I'm actually down south, but still, even though I am down south, the rains in here, okay, the rains are so heavy. Let me tell you, and the wind are so, they're so strong. So, okay, I wish everyone, yeah, safety, And now, yeah, take care, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sige, have a good night, everyone. Bye bye.